It's Easter!
Is that your Easter basket? Is that your Easter basket?
Easter! Yay! Yours!
Alright, here. What do you want to do first? Grandma's bringing you a bunch more stuff. This is just a little one. You want the bunny? You want to taste the bunny? Here, let's taste the bunny. Oh, you want to tie the bow?
She wants to know what the egg is over there.
Yeah? Oh god, the bunny will not come out with the thing. Here you go. Sirs. You want the bunny? Taste it. That's... Here,
Easter!
watch, sir. See? Look. Look. Mmm. What kind of little girl doesn't like chocolate?
No.
Sister. Yeah. Chocolate's bad for you. Here, try it.
Wow.
Well, that went just as we thought it would. We'll have to try again with the chocolate.
Sister. Sister. Here. Sucker. Hey. Look.
Goofball. Okay.
Sister, here.
Alright, drop it. It's gonna open, explode.
Egg.
Come on, it's full of candy. It's full of candy.
What's in there? Huh? What's in there? Go, kapow!
Here.
Num num.
Whoa! What is all that? Num nums. Sir.
Lemons. Easter.
Zombie Jesus Day. Ain't that right?
No.